Our team built a vibrating handbell grip that signals handbell choir members with Down syndrome when to ring their bells. The grip is 3D printed with a bell handle and a box for electronic housing. Here we are assembling the handbell grip. First, the 3D printed grip is put on, then the user places the electronics in the compartment, closes the acrylic lid, and secures the velcro strap to keep the electronics from falling out when the bell is rung. This is our ultrasound transmitter that transmits the signal to the bell grips. The receiver consists of a buzzer which vibrates, an Arduino which houses the code and song data, a battery, and a Zigbee to receive the signal. The transmitter has a keypad for song selection, an ultrasound sensor to detect card flips, a Zigbee to transmit a signal when a card is flipped, a battery, and an Arduino to store code and control the overall system. You can see in this demonstration that as a card is placed in front of the sensor, the transmitter sends a signal to the receiver, which then results in a buzzer vibration.
So this is a quick demonstration of our prototype working. This is the receiver for the orange color, even though it's purple on the bell, but we had to return our orange bells. So this is actually the orange receiver. And we first put a card up and select the song, and then we can start playing the music. So you see here, and then now this is the orange, it comes up, so the receiver, you can hear that it's vibrating, so the user will ring the bell, and then it stops vibrating, and you go through each card, and yeah, and you can go through the entire song.